are at the Embassy Suites in downtown Indianapolis. Yep, there's a second bank right across from it. We're going to take a ride in both banks.
I think it might be this one. You can kind of see through the doors.
Yep, I think it is. Oh, never mind. It's the other one.
Then we go around the corner.
Interesting.
Odd floor numbering too.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this is the one with the. Oh no, it's not. One of them's got an annoying floor passing chime.
Oh, okay. So it's probably the other bank, I guess.
Possibly. And 4 is the lobby.
All right, set down to 4.
In the mirror, do you see high? There's a wheelchair lift right there.
Yep. That's how you get to the lobby. Let's change at 20. Watch the indicator go up. Yeah, this was modded, right?
I have no clue what these used to be.
Well, judging by the door track, I believe these used to be Westies.
So a lot of people have said that. I'm starting to believe it. You can see right there the door tracks. Pretty weird setup.
Alright, send it down. So it should go down from the other side.
Probably a view of the atrium too.
Mhm.
Someone let a balloon fly up there.
Nice.
That's a clean area. Yeah, it was the other elevator on that set that had the annoying floor passage.
Which one? The one we just came out of?
No, the other one, actually, the one right next to it.
Yeah, like on the bank that we just rode.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah, we'll take a ride on that on the way down, I guess, because I want to hear it.
I don't know which one's coming, but
Looks like it's the other one.
oh, this is the one with the broken lantern.
Oh wow, buns are different here.
A bunch of them were replaced. This one's got a slightly better view of the atrium over here. And we're stopping at 14.
Let's change at 20. Let's get the one with the annoying floor passing chime, which is the
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
The question is, I can't tell if it's broken or not. No, it's not.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
opened.
everything's
It
open.
opened.
Yeah, everything's
when
open.
we were at the lobby. You can see that one going up.
Yep, getting pretty close. Oh, but someone's gonna call it or take it down.
That may give us a chance to get that one down there. You can still see it. From the other side, pretty cool.
All right, let's try to get that car. All right, it's the
Hopefully this
one.
still has the glitchy floor past sunshine. Who knows?
Oh wow,
Changed.
went
It
from
just
20 to
skipped floors.
17.
Or maybe I was wrong. It's not. That changed.
Yeah, that's a good sign. And that's going to be it.